Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the future, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This machine is already making waves in the automotive world, combining cutting-edge performance, extreme aerodynamics, and Ferrari's unmistakable Italian design philosophy. It's being positioned as the successor to the legendary LaFerrari, and Ferrari has pulled out all the stops to make sure it sets new benchmarks in speed, style, and innovation. The first thing that grabs attention is the exterior. Ferrari has gone all in with futuristic aerodynamics, inspired by Formula One and endurance racing. The F80 looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself, with aggressive front splitters, active aero panels, and a razor-sharp profile that screams performance. The headlights are ultra-slim, seamlessly integrated into the sweeping front fascia, while the rear is dominated by a massive diffuser and sleek LED taillights that emphasize the car's low and wide stance. Every curve and vent on this car serves a purpose, either cooling the hybrid V8 engine or improving downforce at high speeds. It's not just beautiful, it's functional art on wheels. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that blends race car minimalism with Ferrari luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a yoke-style steering wheel that integrates key driving controls, inspired directly by F1 cars. High-resolution digital displays dominate the dash, offering customizable views for performance data, navigation, and infotainment. Carbon fiber and Alcantara are used throughout the cabin, giving it a lightweight yet premium feel. Despite being a hypercar, Ferrari hasn't compromised on comfort. The F80 offers supportive racing seats, smart climate control, and advanced connectivity features that keep it ready for both the track and long road. Now let's talk performance, the heart of this beast. The Ferrari F80 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid setup, producing a staggering 1,200 horsepower. Ferrari claims it can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.2 seconds and reach a top speed of over 350 kilometers per hour. The hybrid system not only boosts power, but also improves efficiency, making the F80 more adaptable for modern regulations without sacrificing Ferrari's trademark thrill. The car also features an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, giving it incredible handling precision whether you're on a racetrack or winding mountain roads. As for pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The Ferrari F80 is expected to be priced around 2.5 to 3 million US, making it one of the most expensive production Ferraris ever built. And even if you can afford it, getting one won't be easy. Production numbers will be extremely limited, ensuring that only Ferrari's most loyal and elite customers will have the chance to own one. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just a car, it's a statement of Ferrari's vision for the future of hypercars. It combines stunning design, groundbreaking technology, and performance figures that push the boundaries of what's possible. For enthusiasts, it's a dream come true, and for the competition, it's a warning shot that Ferrari is still the king of speed and style.